bam, live on the scene. So this is the cold air return, and that's the hole that they put in. They want to know why the furnace keep going into a lockout. And I just want you to put your name, your number, your phone number, your last 4 digits of your zip code, and your social security number down in the chat, because we want to make sure you get the training on tomorrow if you put in a hole like this in a furnace and think it's going to work. It's not going to work. Put some comments down there. Make sure you put your name, your phone number, your address. Matter of fact, let me get your mama's maiden name, because we want to make sure we put you out here and let everybody know what you're doing, what kind of work you're doing out here. Bam, live on the scene.